Hello guys and welcome to the post connection attack section. So all the attacks we did before were without knowing the password to the network, and we were not actually the part of the network, and we did not know the password for the Wi-Fi or the AP, and we were not connected to any network. So we were actually doing all those attacks by staying out of the network, and we did de-authentication attacks, and we actually sniffed the packets, and we tried to crack WAP, WPA and WPA2 using several attacks, and we looked how to actually fake authenticate ourselves, and how we can run word list attacks to find the password for a WPA or WPA2 networks. So we did all those attacks by being in the monitor mode, and we were not actually part of the network. So all the attacks we are going to do in this section will be after we connect to a network actually. So for example, you are not connected to a network, then you turn your wireless adapter to the monitor mode, and then you hack into a Wi-Fi, and now you know the password, and now you put in the password, and you are part of the network now. So the post connection attacks are the attacks we can do after we are connected to a network, and then we can run all the attacks I am going to teach you in this section after connecting to the network. So one thing I want you to be very clear about, that the mode for this section will be the manage mode, which is the default mode. The reason for that is because in all the previous attacks we actually wanted to capture all the packets which are running around us, but for now in this section we are part of the network, and we only want to capture packets which are actually only directed to us. So the monitor mode will not be in the so the mode will not be in the monitor mode, it will be in manage mode, because in monitor mode we cannot connect to any network, and we cannot access the internet. And another thing is that if you don't have many wireless adapter cards, and you don't want to actually test all those attacks by connecting wireless attacks to different virtual machines, I am going to actually want you to make sure that you are on the same network. Then we can use Ethernet 0 for all the machines. So here you can see in settings that my network is here NAT network, and I am connected to NAT network, and it is similar for Windows machine, and we are going to actually try to hack this machine by doing some attacks. So in the network here you can see that I am on the same NAT network that I am on the Kali network. So when we start these two machines, it means that both of these machines will be on the same network, and they will have the same subnet. For example, if the IP address of Kali is 192.168.8.1, then the IP for Windows 10 can be 192.168.8.1.2 or 3 or 100 or any number from up to 255, but not 1. So both of them will be on the same network, and then we can run all those attacks we are going to learn in this section on the machines which are connected to us, connected to the same network actually.